This is Astha. As you can see, guys, we have a guest on our channel, and in this video, we're going to discuss a very informative video coming from INFOSYS company. Guys, our subscriber Pooja, she got selected with INFOSYS company for the position of system engineer role, and it's a great achievement for her because she belongs to electronics branch. She's not from IT field actually, but she cracked IT company, and here she's going to discuss all interview questions, all her preparation tips, how she cracked INFOSYS company. So this video is going to be very informative, so don't try to miss this video. Please do watch the video till the end if you're preparing for INFOSYS company. Okay, so guys, first thing, Pooja has her joining date also. She is going to join INFOSYS on 14th of February. Okay, so we'll see all the details, whatever tips she has for us, she's going to share with us. First of all, welcome Pooja on our channel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pooja, it's a great company, INFOSYS, that you're going to join soon. Congratulations for your achievement.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, Pooja, please give us your brief introduction.
Yeah, definitely. Hi guys, welcome. First of all, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my interview experience with all your subscribers and all those YouTubers. And myself, Pooja Banu. I'm from Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in 2019 in electronics background. And after completion of my graduation, I did also my MBA. Okay. Recently passed out. And I attended INFOSYS interview exam on December 26th. I got mail from INFOSYS shortlisted for interview on January 3. And I attended interview on January 14th. And I received offer letter on January 20th. And my joining is February 14th. That's all about it.
So great. So she's going to join INFOSYS company or INFOSYS on 14th of February. And you given the examination of 26th January, right? Sorry, 26th December.
December 26th.
December 26th. Okay. So guys, if you all are waiting for your results from the INFOSYS company, those have given the examination on December 26th, just don't worry, be patient. This company will going to reply. They replied to Pooja also just in the last week, and they shared their offer letter as well, right? So don't worry, be patient, because so many candidates are there still waiting for their offer letter, for their interview results from the INFOSYS company. Those are given examination on 26th of January, right? So don't worry, be positive, you all get the reward from the company. Okay, so Pooja, we would like to know what type of interview questions they asked you.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I mentioned basic knowledge on C, Python, and Power BI, ma'am.
Okay.
Recently,
you belong to electronics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then have you done any certification courses in these languages, or you learned from somewhere?
I learned from YouTube, ma'am.
Okay, you learned from YouTube only. Okay, great. So,
yes.
Okay. So depending on what are the questions?
Yeah, basically I learn C, Python in YouTube channel, ma'am, and I learn business intelligence to Power BI, one of my colleagues.
Okay.
One of my cousins.
Okay, great.
Yeah, that is plus point for me, ma'am. Power BI is a plus point for me shortlisting the interview, ma'am.
Okay, great. Actually, if you are having knowledge of different technologies, now that will really help you in the interview. Okay, so if you can share interview questions with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Yeah, first of all, the interview is 20 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
First she asked me, do you have a laptop?
Okay.
Yes, I have. I tell yes, ma'am, I have laptop. And another question is, how much RAM do you have that laptop I have? Okay. Yes, I tell 4 GB RAM. Okay. And she asked me basic questions, ma'am. Basic questions from resume. Okay. She asked me, programming one question she asked me, reverse of a 2 digits. She asked me only logic. Don't worry, Pooja, she is very friendly, ma'am. Very friendly in nature. She asking in and she replying very, very friendly. Okay. And another question is project. And another question is from resume IoT that I mentioned in resume, ma'am. Okay. Paper presentations and workshops I mentioned. So that's why she asking me paper presentation, one question IoT, and another question from PCB and design, that question. Okay. And another, why you learn Power BI? She asked me, it is a very special language. Most of the people are asking, only experienced people are also asking I am learning Power BI from my cousin. Why you learn Power BI? She asking me. I tell that, ma'am, it is one of the business intelligence school from startup company to very big company. Every company are using this business intelligence tool. That's why I'm interested to learn this technology. That's why I learn. And another question she asked me, which data you have to use. I tell ma'am I learn. I did not attend any project. Just I learn the course. What is what for learning purpose. I get the data from Google and sample store data. It has orders and tables. So by using the data, I can practice daily. And then next question: where are you from?
Okay.
Just family details. She asking me. And at the end of the question, program it takes 7 minutes now. Just only one program she asking, it takes 7 minutes.
Okay.
I'm nervous, but she telling me, don't worry, Pooja. Just I asked only logic. If you tell, it's okay. Like that she telling me.
Okay, great. So guys, you also have to prepare some basic programming questions, as she don't belong to CS and IT, and so many candidates are having this thing in their mind that if they don't belong to CS and IT, the interviewer will not going to ask them any programming question or any logic question. So this is not true actually, because I came to know from so many of my subscribers that the interviewer asked them about the logics. Okay, the simple questions, very basic questions. You can to Pooja, they asked the what was your question, Pooja? Programming
Power
question?
BI, ma'am. Power BI questions she asked me, and programming C question is reverse of a 2 digits.
Reverse of a 2-digit, right there. So like that only, they ask you to print Fibonacci series, print a particular pattern, to find prime numbers. Is this type of simple questions they're going to ask you, to be logic behind those questions. So please prepare such questions as well, because when it comes to non-CS IT candidates, now they have this feeling that they're not going to ask us any programming question. So it's not like that. This is completely depending on the interviewer. Okay, whatever they want to decide, whatever they want to ask you, they may ask you, no problem. So please be prepared a little bit. Okay, so what will be next thing happen in the interview?
Yes, ma'am. She asked me, after completion of graduation, you done an MBA. Then why you choose IT? It is a necessary question. She asked me. I already think that, ma'am. Yeah, common question, because after completion of graduation, if we enter IT, there is no problem. If I completed graduation and post graduation, then I entered to IT. So that's why she asked me.
Okay, because you did your MBA in HR, so that's why she must be asking you why you want to switch back to IT company. So what was your answer?
Yeah, by using my technical knowledge in BTech and management skills in MBA, I want to growth my career in IT. That's why I tell her.
Okay, great.
Next question is, she asked me, Pooja, MBA there has no more opportunities. Then why you choose IT? Again, she asked me.
She wanted to know whether you will be with them for a long time or you're going to switch the company in short period of time. See what happens now when you are doing post graduation in some other field, especially like HR, finance. So at that point now, all IT companies especially, they have this feeling that you will not going to be with them for a long time. So that's why she was trying to get an answer from your side. Okay, so what was your answer? How you tackle that situation actually?
Yeah, I taken the situation, ma'am. I'm interested. My parents told me that it done post graduation after completion of graduation. If we have to switch to another company, you have no time to study the higher studies. That's why I switched to post graduation. I completed my post graduation by using my technical skills in my BTech and along with my management skills in my PG. It is very helpful to company to grow in a respectable position. That's why I mentioned.
Great. Actually, you gave a really great answer. Very nice, Pooja. And what was the remaining interview? Any other question she asked you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
very
any question?
Simple, ma'am. Very.
Yes.
It's very simple, ma'am. I feel very nervous what she asked, but it's very simple and positive, ma'am.
Okay, great. Actually, to freshers, mostly INFOSYS interviews are like that only, guys. If you did really do prepare a little bit now, you'll easily crack INFOSYS interviews. That is not that much difficult. In all my videos, I used to tell this thing, yeah, INFOSYS interviews are not that much difficult because they're not asking much technical questions, right? And for HR also, they're going to ask you repeated questions. So you can prepare yourself for that. So it's really great, Pooja, that you came here, and you are a deserving candidate. No problem in that. It shows I can judge that thing because I am also an HR by profession. So I can judge that thing that you are a deserving candidate. So no problem. Great. Pooja, here I want you to share some tips from your side, especially for interviews for non-IT candidates.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. If we are a non-IT branch, don't worry. Just be prepared. Just a basic knowledge of whatever the skills you have. If you have any special skill, please mention in resume. Be confident and be positive, ma'am.
Okay, great. So the reason behind Pooja's selection, according to me, is, guys, her positive approach, her to the point answers, and the second thing, she has done do mention C, Python, and Power BI in her resume, because these are the programming languages, and she told the interviewer that she knew all these languages, she learned these languages. So it gives an impression that yes, she is interested in IT field and she want to join IT company. So this is very important, actually, Pooja. These are the main points. I'm sure this must be the reason why she selected you. Okay, so great. Pooja, a few details I want you from exam point of view, right? Because again, we are having hiring from INFOSYS company. So if you can share some tips how you prepare for online examination.
Yeah, it has 5 sections, ma'am. Reasoning ability and aptitude, verbal, pseudocode, and puzzle. These all sections I learned from YouTube only, ma'am.
Okay. So
I am attending time, it is very moderate.
Okay.
Yeah,
puzzle
I
and
saw
pseudocode?
Pseudocode, it's moderate, ma'am. Not much difficult, it's moderate, ma'am.
Okay.
Pseudocode, I have 4 questions. I cleared only 2. Remaining 2 are I have doubts, ma'am. But I cleared.
Actually, during examination, if you clear 2 pseudo questions correctly, you will get selected in that section. No problem. In my preparation videos, I told you, please at least try to attempt 2 pseudocode questions correctly. That's all. So, okay, great. Any website, any free resource you want to share with us from where the candidates can do preparation?
I learn from only YouTube, and aptitude I learn from R.S. Agarwal book, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, Pooja, it's really great that you came here. Anything else you want to share, you can share with us.
Yeah, guys, be prepared, be confident, and be positive. Whatever the skills we have, please mention and prepare a resume, whatever you mentioned. First, don't forget to that. My interviewer asked me project not directly, ma'am. She taking only 1 sentence only. Please mention me 1 sentence and please explain me. Like that, she asked me.
Okay.
She not telling directly, please explain a project like that. She don't ask me. She mentioned only single line. And that she asked me, please explain this line. That is that line is in my project. Like that. Yeah.
So that's the reason why you have to prepare your resume, and that is the main reason. Because they're going to ask you all the questions from your resume itself.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever you're mentioning in your resume, please be prepared with that. All the terms, all technologies, as Pooja said, she asked a single line. Okay. So in that way, you need to prepare complete resume. Okay, great. Pooja, it's really I'm really glad that you came in our channel and you shared all your tips with us. This is really useful for all my candidates who belongs to electronic branch, especially. This is a motivation for you people, guys. Don't worry if you don't belong to any other non-IT branches. Just be positive. Have a slight smile on your face as Pooja is having. So it's a great thing and it's a positive thing actually. So it's really good. Thank you so much, Pooja, that you came on our channel. This will be really helpful for us. All my subscribers, please do follow all the tips that Pooja shared with you if you are preparing for INFOSYS company. Along with this, I'm doing some mock videos also for you people so that you will get confidence to crack INFOSYS. So please do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that. Do share our Telegram channel also. There also I'm sharing some very important tips for all of you. So do share that. Share with all your batchmates so that all candidates get the benefit, right? I'm doing all this just to help you people. So please support the channel. Milte next video with a new update with some new interview experiences from selected candidates. Thank you so much, Pooja, that you came on our channel. Thank you so much, and all the best for your career.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So good to see you. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, guys.